Today, we're unlocking the door to a world of high-paying freelance opportunities with Toptal, the platform connecting top talent with top clients. First things first, let's get started by heading to the Toptal website in your web browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Apply to Freelance button. It will be prominently displayed, usually in the top right corner or middle of the page. Click to begin the application process. You'll be prompted to either register with your email address and set a strong password, or quickly sign up through platforms like Google. Choose the option that suits you best and provide all the requested information. You'll also typically be asked about your areas of expertise. Next, expect a series of tests designed to assess your abilities. This rigorous screening process is what sets Toptal apart. Be prepared to showcase your skills through technical assessments, problem-solving challenges, and potentially even a live coding test or a similar demonstration of your capabilities. Finally, think about your portfolio and experience to highlight them. Once you've successfully navigated the initial application stages, you'll build your profile. This is your chance to shine. Update your profile with accurate work expertise to demonstrate your skills. Remember, Toptal welcomes the best, so be honest and be prepared to impress. With your profile complete and the rigorous check out of the way, you're ready to take your freelance career to the next level. Good luck and happy freelancing!